Hi, how are you? Today you can see the several steps we're going to follow to draw a crazy frog. So all you know that it has two big eyes on the top. So in the beginning you can draw the two eyes here. This looks like a circle. So I'm going to draw a circle and a smaller circle in the middle. Another circle I'm going to draw. So the first step is going to draw a circle. Let's put it in number 1. Okay, so for the next is, let's put the sign here. Then number 2, we are going to connect these circles. So let's begin these two once again. Then we're connecting, you can see the straight lines. And now we're going to draw a half circle under it and connect it with the other side. So there's the half circle. Then let's put an arrow. The next is, after that one, then we're going to put the faces, mouth and other stuffs. So we're going to draw the previous part. Awesome. Connect it, drawing the half circle once again, and let's connect on the two sides. Now we're going to put the mouth, so it's going to be the parallel with the previous one and ending up on the sides. Putting two dots, which is defining the nose here. Then the next is, you can see I'm putting the arrow and again drawing the previous steps. All right, so straight line here, curved line we are going to put in the bottom, looks like a half circle, then connecting it both parts, putting the mouse, so it's like a repetitions, but it's going to help you memorizing the whole things. In this stage we are going to add on the hands on the side. So put a curved line like this one, you can see one on the left and one on the right side. Then draw in a little bit underneath and both side looks like parallel, and put the hands like a 3 fingers on each side, you can see here. So this is the single part here. Later we're going to add on the another sides. Okay, so I'm going to draw the previous part once again, putting the eyes here. Okay, and drawing the half circle at the bottom, putting the mouth, borders to nose and the hands here, one on left side, one on the right side. So these two are same. What's extra here, we are going to connect the belly here like this one, so it looks like little bit complete. Now only one more things left, and that is the two legs. So this is the final part. So 1 2, we're going to put number 3 here, number 4 here, number 5 here, and number 6 here. So this part we're going to draw the same thing, putting this one and putting the the both eyes here, connecting both of them, put the straight line extended and drawing the half circle in the bottom, putting the mouth on both sides and putting the nose here, then connecting the hands on the both sides and putting the fingers 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and connecting these two. Okay, and putting the belly. All right, and the legs on both sides we're going to draw. All right, and also putting the other stops here and another one in these sides, and this is going to be the legs. So this is the finalized drawing. Okay, so let's highlighting the numbers here. Okay, so putting the markers and highlighting the numbers, you can see. All right, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Awesome. And you know all these colors, so this arrow, we're going to highlight it with the crayon color. So making it little bit bold so that we easily understands the progression. Okay, so making the canvas little bit nice actually. All right, so that's pretty defining. Okay, now we're going to put the colors here with the highlighter. So let's put the darker color in the body, the green one. Okay, that's we're putting the shades here. Okay, and also putting the lighter green to complete the drawing. Awesome, so it's highlighting the whole area. Okay, this is the hands, this is the hands, this is the body, this is the body, this is the body. So you can see the complete frog drawing here. So past steps, let's explain once again. You can see here only 2 eyes, then we connect these eyes, put the half circle. After that we come to here and putting the half circle and the mouth. Then with the mouth we are adding up the hands here, and after that one coming number 5 stage, and you can see here putting a belly, and finally we're going to draw the whole drawings like a little bit shades of the darkness and lightness of the green shadow. There's the drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with the Blue Hands Drawing channel. Please subscribe the channel as you like the video. Later we're going to bring more new ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. One more stops, all these things are in a single page just to show you guys the better understandings of the progressions. That's why I just put the arrows and draw all the things in the same page. That was the idea.